we're going to go through three particular problems that caused a lot of problem for most people today in mental maths. So first off, if we look at question 3, they ask you how much would you get paid if you worked 4 hours at time and a half rate when normal rate is €10. So the way I think about these questions is I first find the normal rate. So if I work 4 hours and I'm getting €10 per hour, that's 10 by 4, which is €40. But today they're going to pay you time and a half. It must be a special day, maybe a bank holiday or a Sunday, or you might be working a night shift. So they're going to give you time, which is your €40, plus half of that €40, which is €20. So for working today, you get rewarded extra, which is €60. So time and a half. Okay, so you might see those questions coming up in current weeks. Just find out the normal rate, then get half the normal rate and add it on. Sometimes they might also ask you for double rate. You might get paid double rate. So in that instance, it would be €40 and double it, which would be €80. But today it was only time and a half, so it's 40 plus 20, which is 60. Now, if we move on to question 10, how far would you travel in an hour if you went 6 kilometers in 5 minutes? So we know in an hour there are 60 minutes. So to go from 5 minutes to 60 minutes, we must multiply by 12. So it's 12 times. So you must do the same thing to the 6 kilometers, multiply it by 12. And we know that 6 12s are 72 kilometers. So you'd go 72 kilometers in an hour at that speed. Now, question 15 was tricky. Question 15, the surface area of a cuboid. So last week we were just getting used to finding the surface area of a cube. And a cube is grand, it was nice and easy because it has 6 faces, but each face is the same size, or same area. So if we look at the cube here, it is basically 6 squares. So you find the area of one face, 2 by 2 would be 4, and you multiply it by 6 and you get the area of your cube. But today they asked us the area of a cuboid. Now a cuboid has 6 faces again, but not all the areas of the faces are the same. So if we look at a cuboid, we have 2 of these front guys, one there and one at the back. So that's going to be 2 by 1, 2 by 1. So that's both them. We have 2 of these side guys here, 3 by 1 and 3 by 1. If we look down here, 3 by 1, 3 by 1, that's those 2 there. And then we have a top face and a bottom face that are the same. So that's 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. So now we need to find the area of each of these. So that's going to be 2, that's going to be 2. 3 by 2 is 6, 3 by 2 is 6, that's 3, that's 3. And then we add it all up. So 2 and 2 is 4 and 6 is 10, 16, 19 and 22. So the area of that will be 22 meters or centimeters squared, whatever unit they're asking you for. So it's a little bit trickier than a cube in that we have different face areas, but the same principle. You still need to find the area of each face and add them all up at the end. Thank you.